Good morning, children, and welcome back to our online class of computer applications. So, children, today I'm not going to start any new chapter. Instead, I'm going to teach you how to find the output. Okay, so very important questions. Usually, 2 or 4 marks question will come definitely. Okay, that means two questions definitely in board. Either it will be 2 marks or 4 marks. Minimum 2, maximum 4 marks. So, see properly and understand it. So our topic is output finding. Okay, children. Now see what is output finding. So basically, output finding you get from different types. Like you may get from looping, okay, or you may get from operator. So today we'll be learning from operator. So output finding from operator. Okay. So operator we have operator for output finding we have two different types. One we have is increment, other we have decrement. Okay, again increment we have two type: pre-increment, post-increment. Same way for decrement also we have two type: pre-decrement and post-decrement. So children, now what is decrement and what is increment? Okay, we have operator known as plus plus together, that is increment, increases by 1. Same way we have minus minus, that is decrement, decreases by 1. Both operate with a single value. Okay, so when we talk about increment, that means increases by 1. It can't be increased by 2, increased by 3, 4, 5 like that. No, not possible. We have unary operator, that means work with single values. Okay, same way decrement, decreases minus 1. Okay, so operator basically increment and decrement operator we work with output findings. So again increment we have pre and post. Let us take one example. Say int a is equal to 2. This is our example. Okay, int a is equal to 2. Now as far as pre-increment, it will be plus plus a, and in case of post it will be a plus plus. Okay, in case of pre-decrement, minus minus a, post decrement a minus minus. So see here how we write for post increment, post decrement, pre increment, pre decrement. Pre means first, pre means first, post means after. Okay, now let us see here we have a value 2. Now pre means what? First. First means first add the value, first add the value. So 2 plus 1 becomes how much? 3. So this answer will be 3. Okay, same way pre decrement. Decrement means first decrease the value. That means a value was 2, so it will becomes now 1. Clear children, this one? Understood the use of pre? Pre means first. Pre means what? First. First increase or first decrease the value. Okay. Now post. Post means after. That means value remains same. Value remain same. But what about increment or decrement? That will be after, means again if you get the same variable, then only effect will be there. Once again I am saying, for pre we don't have any problems. Directly it will increase or decrease. But for post, the value remains same. That means the answer will be 2 only here. Here also 2. Now what about this plus plus and minus minus? That means there is an increment operator, there is a decrement operator, but they are post. Post means later on. Post means we are sending that. This plus 1 we are sending. This minus 1 we are sending. So let us indicate by carry. Plus 1, minus 1. Now this carry part this carry part, this will be affected only when we get the next similar type variable. Not similar, exactly the same variables. Okay. The plus one, the carried part, the minus one, the carried part will be utilized when we get the same variable further, means post after. Okay, so this part is little bit complicated, so we'll do using some more example and calculations. So children, see this. So see here, let us take some more example. We'll consider the value of a as 2 only. Let us make it fix. Okay, and our first example, a plus 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 a. Okay, now see here, do one thing, first make a group. Okay, first make a group. Now this becomes a single variables as well as this becomes the single variables. Okay, now here what we have, post or pre. This one is post, this one is pre, and this plus means single addition. Okay, now post and pre we have both. One more point you need to remember, always the value of a variable, always the value of a variable will be the previous one, not the actual one. Okay, not the actual one. Always value of the variable will be previous one, not the actual one. So with this point, let us do plus plus means what I told, remain same, but carry will be there. So 2, let us indicate carry by plus 1 inside the circle. This plus sign we have plus. Now here what we have, plus plus a, that is pre. Pre means add it. A value is how much? Previous value. Don't see this value. Okay, don't see this value, this is actual value. Now you have to see the previous value, means this one. This value of a was 2, so we'll consider 2 only. Plus plus is there, so 2 plus 1 becomes 3, isn't it? Now we'll see carry is there or not. We have the carry. Now this carry is for which variable? This carry is for which variable? Carry is for a, so we'll add here. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4, and this carry is removed. Clear children? So now we'll add 2 plus 4 becomes 6. This is the final answer. Okay, let us do one more example. Alright, here 6. Say second example. Now both I have written as post increment. Both are of post increment. Okay, post means again carry is there. So a value means 2, carry 1. Here this a value, previous one will consider 2 only. This plus plus carry 1 is there. Now these two we have to check any previous carry is there or not. So previous we have 1 carry, so this is removed. This 2 will turn to 3. Okay. Middle plus we have. Further see, we don't have any variables. So whenever we don't have any variable, the carry will be garbage, waste. Okay, that will not be calculated. So the final answer will be 2 plus 3, 5. Understood children? Get the difference? Let us do one more. Number 3. Now see, both are pre-increment. That means first only you need to increase, both the case. Okay. So plus plus a. Plus plus a means pre-increment. First increase the value. Becomes 3 plus. Now here plus plus a is again there. So a value is what? We have to consider this 3, not the 2. Okay, 3. Now plus plus for this one becomes 4. So answer is 7. Understood this one? Get the difference. Okay, each question is of different type. Try to understand this, very important. you get minimum 2 marks or maximum 4 marks. Okay, that is sure. I'm just doing the different types. Okay, number 4. Now see number 4. A plus plus, oh sorry, plus plus A plus, just opposite of the first questions, plus plus A, that means pre-increment. Pre means first the value will increase. A value was how much? 2. So first it will increase, becomes 3 plus. Now here what we have? A plus plus. Value of A is how much? 3. For this plus plus we have carry 1. Okay, carry 1 will be there. So 3 plus 3 becomes how much? 6. Now what about this carry? This carry is garbage, waste. Okay. Whenever a carry is there but cannot be utilized further, because we don't have further the same variables, in such case the value are waste, it's garbage. Okay, so basically with increment we need to know these 4 different type. Okay, now see children, we'll be using this finding output with 2 variables. So let us take int A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. 2 different variables. And let us write the example 1. Now what will be the answer for this one? A plus plus. What kind of increment? Post. Post means value remains same but carry will be there. So 2 carry 1 plus. Now what about here? B plus plus. So B means value remains same, carry will be there. So 3 carry 1. But what about this carry? Will utilize here? No. We cannot utilize. Okay, we cannot use this plus 1 for these variables. Reason, both are different. This carry is for A and here we have B. Okay, so A and B both are different type of variables. So when there are 2 different variables, that time carry cannot be utilized. We cannot use the carry. Okay, so here this carry is also waste, this is also waste. So final answer is how much? 5. Okay, so whenever carry is there, that carry will be utilized only if we get the same variable. If there are no same variable, the carry is not going to utilize. It won't be used. Clear? So see another type. Say A is equal to B plus plus B plus A plus plus. Now here equal to is there. That means there is LHS, there is RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. So we need to solve the right hand side. Plus plus B. That means B value is 3 becomes 4 plus. No carry because it was pre-increment. Increase the value first. Second is A plus plus. A value is how much? 2. Remain 2. Same. Plus plus is there. So carry 1 is there. Okay. Now further we don't have. Isn't it? So let it be. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. But carry 1 is there. Now this carry 1 is for which variable? Variable A. So carry is for variable A. How much? 1. So whenever there is a carry and you have a equal to sign, that means you have LHS. Okay. In such case, you need to check whether the left hand side variable is the same variable whose carry is there. Okay. Whenever you get a carry and there is LHS part, you need to check the carried variable or the carried value. The variable should be same as of LHS. In such case, the carry is added. Okay, that means the carry will be added and the answer will becomes 7. Okay, reason, this carry is same to LHS. Okay, so this is another type of, you can say, tricks you need to remember. Okay, it basically makes student confused. So this question is very important. So carry part you need to check. Okay, now suppose if we have the question somewhat like this, say b is equal to plus b plus a plus. Okay, let us take as number 3. Now in this case, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1. Now answer is 6, but carry is there. Okay, carry is for which variable? Carry variable is a, and this side LHS what we have? B. So carry is waste in this case. Answer is B only, because this carry we have to check with LHS. So whenever carried is there and you have LHS left hand side, some variable is there, you need to check that with the carried variable. If both are same, the carry will be utilized. If both are different, carry will be waste. So these are the few logic you need to remember. Clear, children? Any doubt from here? No doubt. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. Little bit twist is there, that I have explained, I have shown you. Go through this several times, you will easily understand.